Using an American Express gift card on eBay is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open up your eBay website on your web browser. After that, browse eBay to find the item you wish to purchase. Once you've selected it, tap on the Right Now button. After that, tap on Continue with Google. Next, choose an account. To proceed here, you need to enter your address, city and phone number and provide other details. When prompted to enter payment information, select credit card as the payment method. Next, enter the American Express gift card information, including the card number, expiration date and security code. After that, review your order details and confirm the payment using the American Express gift card. After successfully applying the gift card, review your order and complete. So that's how you can use an American Express gift card to make princesses on eBay.